Let's see how to crochet extended single crochet stitch. Welcome to my YouTube channel Sanjs Aasha. As usual, we will be starting with the slip knot. Here I make my slip knot. Crochet hook I am using is of 4 mm. Here I make my slip knot, and after slip knot make any number of chain crochet stitches depending upon your project, whatever you need. Make any number of chain crochet stitches. Here I am making only a tutorial purpose video, so I am just making 11 chain crochet stitches. I'll just complete this and I'll show you. Once we are done with the chain crochet stitches, leave first stitch after current loop on the needle, and from second stitch we will make one extended single crochet stitch in each single stitch. Okay, in extended single crochet stitch, see, we grab the yarn, pull through. Now we get two loop. Okay, normally we will grab yarn, pull through from both of them, but in extended we will first pull only from first loop and then from both the loops. Now that's our first extended single crochet stitch. I will go on doing extended single crochet stitches, that and I will try to keep it quite slow. So or else you can even slow down the speed of your video, so you will get a better idea. But I'm already doing it quite slow, so you will not have any kind of confusion. So let's continue. Whenever we are done with the last stitch, this is our last stitch, we will make a chain crochet stitch and we will turn our work. See, I make a chain crochet stitch and I turn my work. This we are going to do in every end of the row. Okay, now in starting we are supposed to leave these two stitches. I showed you these two stitches, and after the current loop of the needle we will skip two stitches and start from third stitch in starting of every row. Now we are making extended single crochet stitch only. Only thing is, when we are at the back of the crochet work, back side of the crochet work, that time we make stitches using front loop of each stitch. Okay, see, I'm showing you. When we are at the, now we are at the back side, so I'm using front loop of each stitch. And when we are at the front side of the work, we will use back loop of each stitch. I will show you that also. So just remember, and always remember to take last stitch. I'll show you that also. See, we are at the back side of the work. I'm making stitches using front loop of each stitch. Okay, now see, this is the last stitch. Don't forget to take the stitch every time by the end of the row. Okay, remember to take this by end of the row every time, every single time. Now again we will make a chain crochet and turn our work. Now we are at the front side of the crochet work. Now we will make stitches using back loop of each stitch. We will skip these two stitches and we will start making extended single crochet stitch in each stitch using back loop of each stitch. That's it. So I'll make some rows to give you a proper demonstration of the extended single crochet stitch design, how it looks. Okay, I'll just complete this and I'll show you. Now I have made it only for tutorial purpose. So I've just made some 10 rounds, 10 rows. You can make it as big as you want. This is a final piece. So if you have liked the video, please like, comment, share and subscribe Sanjs Aasha YouTube channel. If you have not yet subscribed, I'll request you to please subscribe my YouTube channel Sanjs Aasha. If you have already subscribed, thank you. Thanks a lot. Thanks a million. And I'm coming up with lots and lots of new videos. Plus many videos are already there on my YouTube channel. So please like, comment, share and subscribe Sanjs Aasha. Thank you. Thanks for watching my video. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.